Okay, she's a little happy now. She's forcing it down. She is mad that she's getting fed carrots. Yes. You see her little shiver? Yeah? How do you like your first carrots there, baby? Caden? Yeah? Oh, she is mad. She wants beef, beef, beef. Huh? No more carrots. No more carrots. These shivers are funny.
Here.
She's demanding different food. No more carrots. No more carrots. She's all, you know what? This bib probably tastes better.
No. Let's not start that. Hey.
Tell Mom the bib tastes better than those damn carrots.
Hey. Look. Here. No, look.
Caden's first bit of carrots.
Almost done. We'll make you rice cereal.
No.
No more? One more try, please.
I don't think she's happy with carrots. Look at her, she's trying to hide from it.
Okay. We'll make you rice cereal. Okay, that's it.